Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Doing another review today. It's a little bit of an unboxing, but that's not the focus of it. It's just a review. The Corsair K70 MK.2 RGB rapid-fire keyboard. It's a mechanical gaming keyboard with cherry MX switches. I don't know what color switches they are, because I know cherry's got like the cherry reds, cherry browns, cherry blues. I don't know. I'm kind of guessing it's cherry reds based on the color on the box. So yeah, I've been using the K55 from Corsair. I decided to keep with Corsair just because I've got all the lighting and everything. Keep it in the same ecosystem so I'm not having to download, because it seems like every keyboard nowadays has RGB. I've got the Gigabyte RGB software and the Corsair software. I didn't need another RGB software on my computer, so I went with this. It's about $139 at Best Buy right now. But the nice thing is Best Buy does do price match, so if you find it for a cheaper price either on Newegg or Amazon, they'll price match. So not sponsored by Best Buy or anything, but just figured, let you know where I got it. So let's crack this puppy open. I've already cut the tape on it. So, alright, let's pop this sucker open. Let's see. I did notice that they give you oh wow, that is a thick cord. Holy crap. I do notice they do give you a nice wrist rest. Looks like it's the same wrist rest that came on my K55. Oh, and they also give you, oh wow, vacuum sealed, extra keycaps. Oh, that's right, it said on the back of the box for what the hell is it, mobile gameplay or FPS gameplay or whatever. Yeah, I don't know. Yep, FPS and MOBA keycap sets. So, yeah. I'm not sure. I know FPS is first-person shooter, but MOBA, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what the hell that is, but this has got 8 megabytes of onboard profile storage, so that way you can set, programmable key profiles. Dedicated volume and multimedia controls. That was one of the reasons why I went with this one, because I got the media controls on this. I'm losing my macro keys. That's the one downside. If I wanted to spend $200, I could have gotten the K95 or the K100 and gotten my macro keys again, but I figured, you know what, this was a, if price to performance, this is better, in my opinion anyway. So, but, oh, that's the reason why the cord's so thick. It's got a USB pass-through. That's right. So that way you can, yeah, you can hook up like a charger to this. I don't think it's, my wife's keyboard has a USB pass-through and it's only for charging devices, so something tells me I think this is the same. But I'll definitely let you guys know in this review, because it wouldn't take much for me to hook up a thumb drive. So let's stick the box off to the side. I don't think I'm going to worry about the special keycaps, either the FPS or the MOBA. Sounds so dirty, MOBA. MOBA. Well, they definitely give you a lengthy enough cord. Damn, that is a beefy cord. Holy hell. That is super thick. This is what standard cables are. Side-by-side comparison. That is thick. Now it said on the box it's a aircraft grade aluminum deck plate on it. Bottom's plastic, of course, but now that is interesting. They give you a cord pass-through on the bottom, but it's nowhere near thick enough for this thick cable. It's probably for the USB pass-through for like a charger. That way you can plug it in right here. I don't know if you can see it. Right here, USB plug right here. So, yeah. It's got these, oh wow, nice solid locking for the keyboard props. Those are solid. So, now let's just compare the width of the keyboards. There's my K55. Let's see if I can get this stupid wrist rest off the. There we go. I'll compare the wrist rests, see if they're the same. But alright, so height of the K55, about the same height, but K55 is considerably wider. Very similar in design, but obviously the K55 membrane switches are the only time they're clicky is when you're, you know, tapping on them hard, but they're not clicky feeling. But these, not bad. Yeah, a bit more sound out of these than those. So, but yeah, not bad. Let's see if the wrist rest is the same. No, it is not. The wrist rest is, oh no, it can't be the same because of it being wider. Similar design, but obviously the wrist rest for the K70 is more significant. I do like the wrist rest, so I am going to use it. So, it attaches very simply. Yep, just slides into place and then voila. Oh, it even covers up the bottom of the keyboard. Oh, that's nice. Nice. Okay. Yep, got your media keys, your forward, play, pause, back, stop, then a mute button and a volume. I kind of like that better than the button for pushing volume up and down. I kind of like this volume rocker. I like that, or more of a volume knob, a roller. There's a lock button. All right, let's see how easy the keys are to pop off this thing. Yep, just your standard mechanical game or mechanical switch keycaps. So if you did want to swap them out, you could. That's cool. Alright, let's get this sucker out the way. Let's see how responsive this thing is. And find out for you guys if if the USB pass-through can be used for more than just charging. Dang, that's a beefy cord. Okay, you do have to plug in both USBs. If you don't, then you end up with it not working. Oh, okay, so you can plug the one in. It's not an either or. Yeah. I wonder if they're marked. Yes, they are. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little keyboard symbol on the one and what looks like two arrows opposing each other on the other one. That tells you which one's for the pass-through, which one's for the actual keyboard. So, good to know. Alright. So, go ahead and plug this back in. There we go. Now, let's see real quick. Get a thumb drive out. Like with every other Corsair product, lighting goes according to your software. So, as in previous videos of mine, I've shown that how to use the software and whatnot. So, let's find out. Holy crap! Alright, you can use it. Yeah. Alright. Thumbs up for Corsair. You can use it as a, not only for charging, but for data pass-through as well. That is super nice. Because it opened up the files on this thumb drive, so nice. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go ahead and safely remove the thumb drive. Okay, good to know. So, let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, that is so much nicer for the volume. Just be able to roll it up, roll it down. Oh yeah. And mute. Yep. So yeah. Oh, okay, the button in the middle up here is the lighting, turning it on or off. So, not bad. I'll beep you too. I'll have to figure out what to do with the extra cord, because that is going to be in the way. But yep, that has been a look at the K70 Mark II RGB rapid-fire from Corsair. I hope this information was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below whether it's good or bad. I welcome all comments. I mean, if you're going to be deliberately nasty, I'm going to delete it. But obviously, you know, if it's just you've got something, you know, opposing to say to me, like, oh, you know, some other brand keyboard is so much better, you should have gone with that. Comment down below. And if you like this content, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get future reminders and updates for when I upload videos. And catch you guys in the next video.